Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Carefully place raw eggs in pan of uncooked fruits, vegetables, or spice with water and vinegar, as above. Bring pan to a boil over medium-high heat, then reduce heat to a simmer for 6 minutes. Remove pan from heat and allow to cool for 10 to 20 minutes. Lift eggs with tongs or slotted spoon to check color.
Let's help you make your mark.
The answer is yes. Apple cider vinegar contains the same acidity necessary for dyeing eggs, so it works perfectly. Due to the color of the ACV, it may change the color of the dye, but that could work to your advantage with these natural Easter egg dyes.
Make your mark, take our lead.
How to use a homemade egg dye. Gently wash eggs with soapy water and dry. Place a single layer of eggs in a non-metal pot with the dye. See next slides for colors and sources. Add 2 tablespoons vinegar to 1 quart water. Bring to a boil, reduce to a simmer for 15 to 20 minutes, and remove pot from burner. The 29th of March 2021.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Fill a bowl with cold water and add 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 grams, of table salt to the water. Put your clothes into the water and hold them down until they're completely submerged. Let them stay in there for about 5 minutes. This is a really quick and easy way to set in the dye.
Let's help you make your mark.
Combine 1 quart water and 2 tablespoons white vinegar in a medium pot. Bring it to a boil and add your dye ingredients for the egg color of your choice, listed below. Lower the heat and let simmer for 30 minutes. Let cool.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To make yellow dye, add the turmeric and vinegar to 4 cups of extra hot water. Stir the turmeric until it has dissolved. To create green, first soak the eggs in the natural yellow dye. When they've been dyed the intensity of yellow that you would like, add the eggs to the blue dye and let them soak. 16 March 2016.
Make your mark, take our lead.
If you don't have vinegar, use lemon juice in place of the vinegar, or just leave the vinegar out. Eggs dyed without vinegar will turn out pastel-colored. You need a mild acid, like vinegar or lemon juice, to achieve really vibrant colors. 12 March 2018.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.